angeke esaphindela ejele lo owabe engumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma. Umengameli uJacob Zuma ubekumele abuyele ejele lasemtshezi ukuyoqedela isigwebo sakhe secala. Ekuseni namhlanje Pitoli ukhomishana wengameli wezokhunyuniswa kwezimilo umemezela ukuthi uZuma oyengumengameli wezwe usethole ushelo okhethekile okukhululwa kweyiboshwa ohambisana nohlelo lokubonelwa kwalezo ezingeyona ingozi.
Esithangamini sabezindaba namhlanje ukhomishana wezokuhlunyeleswa kwezimilo uphinde wadalula nokuthi uZuma ubesevele eyifikele ngokwakhe ejele laseScourt ngezithuba zehora lesithupha ekuseni. Uchithe isikhathi esingaphansi nje kwamahora amabili wabe esengokhululekile.
He did arrive this morning at 6 o'clock. He was admitted into the system. Upon admission into the system, he was subjected to administrative process, including the remission process that is already approved.
Uncamalala kanye nezinye iziboshwa engaphezulu kweinkulungwane eziyisishagalolunye kuzwelonke zihlomule ngokohlelo olugunyazwe umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa nongolokudedela kweziboshwa ezingeyona ingozi. Ungqongqoshe zobulungiswa uthi kulandelwe yonke imigudu yezomthetho ngalolu hlelo.
There is no basis for us to interfere with the court decisions with regards to former President Zuma. And as you will have seen, the President has allowed even the former National Commissioner and the current National Commissioner to deal with the compliance with the law, because the President believes and respects the Constitution. So it doesn't matter whether it's former President Zuma or not. And you will also see, we are also not interfering with these court processes that are currently undergoing.
uZuma kukholakala ukuthi usebuyele emzini wakhe osenkandla enyakatho neKwaZulu Natal.
Okhulumele ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe Vincent Magwenya uthi uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usayinde izicelo eziningana zokuhoxiswa kwezigwebo. Ngakho ke ukukhulula kwalo wabengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ejele lasemtshezi bekungesona isenzo esikhethekile kuye kuphela. Namanye amaqembu ezombusazwe aphawulileke ngalolu daba lokukhululwa kukaZuma.
For a number of prisoners. It wasn't specific to one particular individual. So it just so happened that he formed part of that process as it was decided by the DSC.
What does this mean and what example does this create for the hundreds of ANC comrades, including many here in the Free State, who have littered the pages of the Zondo Commission report and for whom the Zondo Commission report expects charges to be brought? Does it now mean that if you have the ANC membership card, whether you're Ace Magashule or anybody else, that you just flash this and it means that you are no longer accountable in the South African system?
We are very glad that the revolutionary giant Comrade Mshalozi is going to be at home today, because he remains the echelon and embodiment of unity within the province of KwaZulu-Natal and in South Africa at large, and someone who's very respected across the board.
By look of things, it looks like it's legal what the government has done. And let us focus on developing South Africa and not be fixated to one individual. Because Mr. Zuma never got out of jail on his own volition. Some officials did release him. Why don't we punish those officials and leave Zuma alone?
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wethembise ukusheshisa inhlelo zokubhekana nezinto ezikhathaza kakhulu umphakathi wasesifundazweni iEastern Cape. Lo mphakathi bewethamela imbizo yesishagalolunye ebibanjelwe esifundeni iChris Hani District Municipality. Umphakathi ukhale kakhulu ngokugqoza kwamathuba emisebenzi kanye nesibalo sabantu esiphezulu salabo abangasebenzi, ububha, izinga eliphezulu lobugebengu, ukwentuleka kwamanzi kanye ke nenhlanzeko.
Ubuphume ngobuningi umphakathi wase-Eastern Cape ukuyozwakalisa izikhalo zawo kuMengameli uRamaphosa. Umphakathi ukhale kakhulu ngalabo abaneminyaka engama-35 nangaphezulu abangasaqashwa ababuza ukuthi benze njani.
Njengoba bengavumelekanga babaqashwe ngoba bona badala, asibabawutyaphi nabona bana 18 to 35. The mill up.
Umengameli uthembise izakhamuzi ukuthi uma umasipala usaphaza imali bazowuphuca lowo masipala osaphaza imali.
Leyanto yakudala ukuthi imali izawukiwa iyaphela ke ngoku. le ndlela yakudala ukuthi imali izawunyamalala iyaphela xa sibona ukuthi umasipala akasebenzi ama-projects kakuhle siyayivala imali.
Umengameli uRamaphosa utshele izakhamuzi ukuthi inkinga yamanzi kuzoba into ezoba umlando. Uthe uhulumeni uzoletha imali engu-6 billion yokuthuthukisa isikhungo esiphehla amanzi eTsomo.
Now this is a world-class water project in a rural area where the apartheid government never ever wanted to plant any development projects. It is now here in this deep rural area in Chris Hani district, and it is pumping 25 megaliters of water and is now going to improve that to 42 megaliters every day.
Uthe bazobhekana-ke nenkinga yezitolo ezilawula bokufika kuleli.
Izitolo ezininzi ospaza shops sezithathwa ziqhutshwa ngabantu abavela ngaphandle kuzo zonke indawo nasezilalini zethu. Ufumana ukuthi sesithenga isonka ioil noma intoni ezitolweni zabantu abavela ngaphandle. Kufanele ukuthi sijonge naleyo.
Ubeke sencoma abantu base-Eastern Cape ngokuphuma ngobuningi ukuzoxoxisana nohulumeni.
Amalungu ekomiti lasePhalamende aphenya ngobuqotho bomvikelo womphakathi osamisiwe uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane aphakamise ukuthi ashenxe kulesikhundla Mkhwebane emva kokuthola izathu zokumbeka icala lokungayiphathi kahle nongakulungeli ukuba kulesi ikhundla.
Ibimaxhaphethu iqwalasela ubungqina obuthwethaca phambi kwayo lekomiti kwaye ifikelele kwisigqibo sokuba indulule ukuba uMkhwebane ehliswe kwisikhundla sakhe.
In adopting this draft report, the committee is recommending that the suspended public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane be removed from office.
Mane amaqela opolitiko aye asixhasa esisindululo sokuhliswa kukaMkhwebane.
I do think that at this point the committee should go forward and propose and recommend to the National Assembly that the public protector be removed from office.
I'll want to join my colleagues that we recommend for the removal, with a view that we are still going to hear from the PP's reaction to this draft report.
Kodwa amanye amaqela amabini ezopolitiko akahambisani nesisindululo kwaye umbutho we-EFF ugrogrise ngokubhenela kwiinkundla zamatyala.
The findings in the report that the PP demonstrated incompetence in relation to the charges against her were therefore predetermined. This is the mandate that the chairperson and the evidence leaders were given, and these findings were made without affording the PP with their constitutionally enshrined rights to legal reps.
We feel that there are some political parties who have asked their members to follow the party line. So we don't agree with you that it has been a very impartial process.
Umbutho we-DA wona ufuna nesindululo sokuba kuthathwe amanyathelo omthetho ngakwicala legqwetha likaMkhwebane uadvocate Dalimpufu phantsi kwezityholo zokuba wagrogrisa ujantshi kulo nyaka uphelileyo.
And I believe that this committee has a duty in its recommendations to firstly refer those Practices Council for investigation into conduct unbecoming by Advocate Mpofu, and secondly, to take the necessary action, which I believe is criminal action, in terms of the Powers and Privileges Act.
Mkhwebane uza kunikwa ithuba lokuba aziphendulele kwesi sindululo sale komiti phambi kokuba le komiti idlulisele esi sigqibo ukuba siphehlelelwe yipalamente. Kwindaba ze-SABC, Dingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Mbukile sathi qoyito kanti ngoba sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthe.
Ziva ndiqhakaniseke gqithe emphefumulweni qhakaniseke nyhani oko singaphakathi lokutshini xakamela ilanga uyazi uyoya njani ku-freeway from Samora to freeway utyebe kangaka.
Sesibile kwesijwayelekile isimo kumkhandlu udolobha iKapa kulandela isiteleka senhlangano yamatekisi Santaco esidonse izinsuku ezisikhombisa. Lolu daba kembukeli sizobuya nalo uma ngabe sibuye itolo wena kumele ukwenze qhubeka uhlale nathi. Sekubingelele mbukeli obusanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ukhomishana wezamajele usethathe isinqumo sokukhulula lo wabengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ngaphansi kohlelo lokudedelwa kweyiboshwa eyidonsa igwebo engaphansi kweminyaka emibili. Mbukela sikukhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba ikhona na ku YouTube wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuyona uyicinga amagama athi SABC Izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Mbukele sikubuze umbono wakho malungana nokukhululwa kwabengumengameli uJacob Zuma ejele wena uphendule kanje.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kube isinqumo esihle kakhulu esithathwe ukhomishana wezamajele ekuthini egcineni bamkhulu lo wabengumengameli wezwe ubaba uJacob Zuma ekuthini singakhululeka ahamba ayohlala kahle ekhaya nezingane zakhe ngani ngoba kube bathi akabile ngaphasi lonto futhi bizophinde isibusele emuva kulesi igameko ezenza ngo-2021.
Enkosi bawo siyabulela ngoba achithwe lamatyala ebebhekene notata uNqamalala. Yeni madoda umntawa abantu uyochabuyise negazi akatyebe.
Mando nabangatosi isigqibo esithathwe ngumphathisa wezenkundla kwelizwe. Ngoba lo tata lona bensafuna mina abhadle ejele. Kucaci bakekho umuntu ongaphezulu komthetho kwelizwe.
Mina ngendlela enibona ngayo hayi ibingekho nento yenza uba utata Jacob Zuma aphinde phayana ngaphakathi. Kuba lonto leyo ibingenawusinceda ntweni leyo. Futhi ke enye into eyenzekayo neminyaka yakhe sele ihambile kakhulu.
Siyancomeka isinqumo sika commissioner athe wasithatha ukuba owayengumongameli umsholozi akhulume.
Kuzoqhubeka ngomsombuluko ukuqulwa kwecala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli kanti namhlanje umbuso ubize ufakazi omusha uElfas Mushwana owuchwepheshe wokuthola imininingwane equkethiwe kumakhalekhukhwini.
Mhla zingama-27 kuMfumfu ka-2014 emva kosuku nje kudutshulwe kwabulawa unozinto abafana uSenzo Meyiwa, uMashwana uthi wathola ucingo ecelwa ukuba athole imininingwane equkethwe komakhalekhukhwini abayisithupha.
On 2014, on the 27th of the 10th month, I received a telephonic request of assistance from Lieutenant Colonel Nettling as per Flores case 636 of 10/2014 to assist in downloading the data from 6 cell phones.
uMashwana uthi imininingwane ayithola wayidlulisela emaphoyiseni eFlores njengoba injalo ngenxa ke yesikhathi akabangeza icwaninga lemininingwane.
On 2014 10th month on the 28th, I handed all the exhibits to Constable Mahlaba from her office by the directive of Brigadier Ndlovu. No data was manipulated or altered during the extraction, and all data was copied to a CD.
Would you know what the contents of the download was, or you just merely downloaded the information?
I don't know the contents thereof. I only downloaded the information.
Nakuba kungumsebenzi wakhe ukuhlola ukuthi kukhona yini imininingwane eyasuswa komakhalekhukhwini, kepha ke kuleli cala akazange kwenze lokho.
Sibuyele kwesejwayelekile namhlanje isimo eKapa njengoba amatekisi eqale ukusebenza kulandela isiteleka senhlangano yamatekisi Santaco esidonse isonto lonke.
Zikhali bungane kwiveki ephelileyo ziyaphithizela kwakho. Abakhweli nabaqhubi bazityande igila.
Oh ndisiva ndiqhakaniseke gqithe emphefumulweni qhakaniseke nyhani oko singaphakathi lokutshini xakamela ilanga uyazi uyoya njani ku-freeway from Samora to freeway utyebe kangaka nanga amapharaphara kulindile again.
Ubulela abantu basibuyele enkomeni xa ke ngoku engcono ba imali yaphuma ngokuye kupawundo namatikiti awuphela.
Usantaco nabasemagunyeni bazibophelele ekubuyiseleni itaxi logama beshukuxa imingeni yabo kule mihla 14 izayo.
The agreement is largely that impoundments will continue under the NLTA offences. Just to summarise, that's no operating licence, no driver's licence, no PDP, no roadworthy, off-route.
Santako uthi imoto ziyathathwa zibhanka kuba amalungu wabo ayasokola ukuzibhatala ngenxa yemali ebizayo ehlawuliswayo xa kuthe kwathathwa imoto.
Kodwa njengokuba ubona into yobana siyaphikisana ngazo kwangoku ithetha loo nto mhlophe into yobana i-task team yethu izawuba noxanduva olukhulu. Sizawuxhomekeka into yobana ithini i-movement phaa ku-task team ukuze sijonge ezinye iinkalo.
Abasemagunyeni bathi abazuba nalusini kwicala lokhuseleko labakhweli. Athule Joka kwindaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Inyunyana zezisebenzi eqashwe ngaphansi kwesikhungo esibhekele uloliwe eNingizimu Afrika seyigxeka abaphathi bePrasa ngalokho ezichaza njengokhudula kwabo inyawo etafuleni leyingxoxo zokubonisana ngeyithinta imiholo yezisebenzi. iPrasa ikhala ngokuthi yentula imali.
Inyunyana ezimbili okuyizona ezimele izisebenzi kuloliwe zifuna isilinganiso sama-percent ayi-15 sokwenyuswa kweholo lezisebenzi. iPrasa yona ikhala kakhulu ngokuthi kubi kakhulu esikhwameni sayo kungakho ibeke etafuleni isiphakamiso sama-percent amahlanu kuphela.
The union is demanding 15% increment across the board. The agreement between us and the employer must be strictly a year. The union is also saying that the employer must pay 70% towards the medical aid. We are also demanding that there won't be any retrenchments during this period of agreement.
Ngokwebalo edalulwe yinyunyana zilinganiselwa ngaphezulu kweinkulungwane eziyi-15 izisebenzi ezingazi ukuthi ikusasa lazo limiphi njengoba isivumelwano esidala seminyaka emithathu siphelelwe isikhathi ezinyangeni ezinhlanu ezedlule.
That the agreement was coming to an end at the end of March 2023. Therefore, we're supposed to kickstart with the wage negotiations by November 2022. The current wage negotiations were supposed to start in November 2022. However, we only commence on the 25th of May 2023. So we commence albeit late.
Inyunyana zezisebenzi zithi kudla lubi ukubhubhudlwa kwemali yizikhulu eziphezulu zePrasa osekuneminyaka zamiswe emsebenzini yazo kodwa isaqhubeka nokuthola imihlomulo yazo yeholo eligcwele. Le mali ekhokhelwa izisebenzi zePrasa imisiwe izinyunyana zithi ilinganiselwa ku-59 million amarandi unyaka nonyaka.
Beluphansi uhwebo lwerandi emakethe namhlanje. Libiza u-18.85 edoleni lasemelika libe u-23.98 kupondo kanti liwu-20.68 ku-euro. Ipola laseBotswana lona libiza R1.39. iJC Vale inkomba yezabelo iphezulu. Igolide libiza $1,919 i-ounce, iplatinum yona ibiza $913 i-ounce, i-oil ongahluziwe ubiza $87.96 umphongolo. Ake ninabesangoma esibhulu umhlahlo ngomthandazo sezehlulekile ezemiyeko ziyaguqa bese kuphathele zona umzukulu kaNomazinyane uyavalelisa. Usale kahle.